Good morning, everyone. Okay, end of the week knife update. What I've been working on this week and since the last time I made a video. Alrighty, so the limited runs there, I had one put up there, was it last weekend? Those are all gone, so we're on to those and my back orders, which I'm always working on, and some new knives here that are going to be available next week, believe it or not. Now, what I've been doing is working on a lot of back orders for these right here. This is my Frontier pattern knife. Okay, really cool. This one hasn't been acid etched yet, so it's a little shiny. This one's actually going to the UK. Robin, this one's yours. I'm not sure if you're watching this my videos or not, but this one's yours. So we'll be by the time you see this, probably be on the heading out. So anyway, been working on those, and I have an extra one. Of course, don't look like that right now. I got a little more work to do on these, but these are what the Frontiers. This is what my knives look like after they come out of the tempering oven. Of course, they've been hardened first, quenched in oil like I always do. I've got a couple of videos on that, how I do that. I'm going to be doing maybe a little more in-depth, longer video on those, on how I do that at some point. But that's one of them. Now what I did was, there's one of these that's going to be available, one regular Frontier, and I made something a little bit different. Okay, now that's a Frontier size knife, but I put a curve in the bottom here. That recurve is similar to my Dark Horseman, the big one that I had made a while back, and the medium sized one doesn't have that. But I decided to just play around a little bit and make this one. So this one's actually a fighter, just like the Dark Horseman is. Okay, as you can see, I've got a mark right there on that. There's going to be a swedge coming down. Okay, a full swedge on both sides, and that belly on the blade. I don't know. I think it's going to look pretty cool. So this one's going to be available too as soon as I get that done. Most of these are going to have tiger on the handles. I may put one out there here shortly with that chestnut that I mentioned the other day. We'll see how that goes. So let's see what. Just finishing up this little tiny Kephart guy there, Mike. I'm not sure if you're watching my videos or not, but that one's yours, buddy. Sorry to keep you waiting. This is going to be a neck knife for him, and she's just drying now, so that'll be heading out. Probably will be actually by the time you see this. Anyway, nice little guy. Nice tiger on that. It's all there. Hold on a second. Jeez, forget how big the blade is. Just 3 inches. 7 1/4 overall. I make these in neck knives, and I make them in regular side sheaths too for that. Okay, I might do some more of those soon too. I'm not sure. Got lots going on, as everybody knows. Hold on a second. Very important. And I probably haven't had enough of that yet today either. What a shock. Anyhow, all right, here it comes. Whew. Okay, now it's not pretty yet, not even close. But again, it's right out of the oven, the heat treating and the tempering and all that stuff. Now this was that one that I showed in the pattern form that all I had was at that time. So I finally got around to playing around with it a little bit more, and there it is. Boy, that's a big chopper. Now this one's got a lanyard on right here. It's got that bird's beak stop right on the end there on the handle, and there's 3 loveless bolts. Real heavy duty. This is just the whole intent of this knife. Hang on a second. It's a big ass knife. 13 3/4 overall, and the blade 7 1/2. So we're getting close to the biggest one. Well, not the biggest one, but that Marine Raider there I made back last year. That was the biggest one. I think that had 10 1/2 inch blade. Anyhow, so there it is, and of course this is made out of a reclaimed Farrier's rasp that was old ones, like I used the old Heller ones, and 1095 steel. Now again, and I've said it before, this steel takes quite a bit of effort to bring to the proper state where you can make a knife out of it. A lot of normalizing, a lot of tempering when you do it the proper way. I let it at the last tempering. I usually bury it in vermiculite or ashes, wood ashes, so it slows down even more. And these have a tendency, they like to warp a little bit. Okay, but anyway, this one is going to be available too. I don't know if I'll get it done by next week or not, but it's I got that nice long swedge on there. I may even deepen that a little bit. I'm not sure, but I don't know. I thought it looked pretty good so far. So, yep, and I haven't figured out the name of it yet. I'm working on it. So, just a big ass knife, you know. But anyhow, all right. So that one will be available. Showed everybody. Okay, that one Frontier and that Fighter. That's how many big of a blade on that? I think that's a little over 5-inch blade on that Fighter. Okay, so that'll be available too. At least 2 of these will be up on my site, ready to go next week. Today is March 1st. I got that right too. I didn't say December like I did in the last video. Jeez. Anyhow, yeah, today's March 1st, 2024. So yeah, next week sometime I'll have at least 2 of these up on my site. Anybody on my wait list will be notified of that. Somebody sees these the video or whatever, give me a call at the shop. I don't care. That works too. Anyhow, all right, everybody. I guess that'll do it. Please like and subscribe, like I always, you know, that stuff here. And we're getting close. Like I said, we're every day getting new subscribers and watch hours, which is great because that's what I'm looking for. All right, everybody. Thanks again, and we'll catch you in the next one.